As I said, when you come up here, you'll be richly rewarded with a magnificent view.
Welcome to Éire, and my name is Ben. Thank you very much for joining me on this video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at 3 scenic drives you haven't seen, and all of these scenic drives are located in the county of Leitrim, which is located in the west of Ireland. So if you're headed to the Wild Atlantic Way, in most cases you will be passing County Leitrim. I would fully recommend that you take a look at these places, so I will give you a snippet of all the locations. The full videos are available in the top right hand side of the screen. So let's get things started with our first scenic drive. Right, let's get started. Loch Melvin Scenic Drive. It's got a fantastic view of Lake Melvin or Loch Melvin. The lake itself is about 12 kilometers in length at its maximum and covers roughly 21 square kilometers. So you can just imagine it's a very big lake. Now there's a fantastic viewpoint there that gives you a fantastic view from the top. And what's also nice is on a good clear day, you can see all the way into Donegal. And of course, you've also got Northern Ireland as well on the other side of the lake. So there's a good mix. To get there, if you're going from east to west, obviously Ross Inver is the town. And if you're going from the other side, if you're going from west to east, the town of Kinloch is a good starting point. And you literally just follow the road. There is signage for it, so you won't miss out on that. And the route itself, it just sticks to the ridgeline. It is a limited access road. I wouldn't say limited access, but it is kind of one lane. It's like a country lane, which was interesting. I put photos up online in Facebook, and someone said they just love the Irish roads, but typical that kind of single lane, and you're right on the kind of ridge line of the viewpoint. It really is a stunning place, and the drive itself, it kind of just meanders through. It really is. So one I'd highly recommend that you take a look at is Loch Melvin Scenic Drive. Right, we're going to be taking a look at Gleniniff Scenic Drive next. Now again, this isn't labelled as such. It is on Google Maps. You can look at it. It's just called Gleniniff Scenic Spot, not to be confused with Glenniff Horseshoe, which is in County Sligo. This can be found in the same area as the previous location. So when you're done with Loch Melvin Drive, you can then turn into Gleniniff Scenic Drive then and do that kind of loop round. I did it from Ross Inver side. So, you know, when you're making your way up to the top, all you're going to see is this lovely valley, mountains on the left, mountains on the right. It's amazing. And frankly, I'm a bit surprised that there's no actual proper signage where they acknowledge that sort of location, because it's just stunning. When you reach up and the bends, the roads are kind of narrow. So again, it's the typical Irish country roads with limited kind of overtaking spots. But when you start to work your way up and over, again, when you reach the top, all you see is rolling mountains and hills and just greenery all over the place. And then there's a place to stop a bit further down. You'll see this kind of a bare rock side of the mountain. Obviously bits of it have been crumbling down, and it's just beautiful out there, absolutely stunning. And then when you reach the top, you've got a view of the kind of Donegal Bay area. And again, depending on the day, if it's a good clear day, you can see that. I was surprised when I reached the top, I was still able to see into the coast there of Donegal. So a beautiful place, definitely one worth checking out. And as I said, I'll try and put as much information in the description. Right, I've saved the best for last. This is Iron Mountain, the Iron Mountain Scenic Drive, and it's located in County Leitrim. But you can start the journey from the Drumshanbo side, and then you work your way towards Bencroy Mines. That's sort of the next stop along, because you'll see yourself kind of working this kind of track going up, It's very scenic on there, very backcountry roads, really beautiful. And then as you start to reach Bencroy Mines, it starts to climb. You can stop there. There's a beautiful viewpoint, which right in front of you can see Cavan, maybe Westmeath to a degree as well. Oh, sorry, not Westmeath, but Longford. But a fantastic place to kind of stop at. And then you've got Bencroy Mines just behind you as well, if you want to have a look up there. Again, link in the top right for the full video. Then as you continue on and you go over the mountain, and it just opens up, you get this flat kind of, you're on the top of the mountain, and it's just extremely flat, and you kind of gradually work your way around, and it's just beautiful views. It's got mountains, you know, greenery there is unbelievable. You can stop and take a walk around the place. Just a fantastic, absolutely beautiful place. And then gradually, as you kind of work your way around, the road gets a little bit tighter, the kind of green grass growing in the middle of it. And then there are various places where you can stop briefly to admire the view. And then you've got this river running down. It is magic, and definitely a place worth checking out. And that is Iron Mountain Scenic Drive. That unfortunately brings the video to an end. I hope you've enjoyed those 3 scenic drives. I hope you will definitely consider going on them. Let me know in the comments down below if you've seen any of those locations. Also, please like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. Hope it's given you a bit of insight into those 3 scenic drives, because like I said, they're not really well signposted. Not many people know about them. Apologies for the lighting as well. I've been struggling all day because the weather's not great. So I've had to make do with the kind of lighting that I have. So it's something I'll be keeping an eye out for the next video. But again, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.